are here sa ano ka mag-feed on pani ni fish. Malaka kay kaihion man mi. Tara mga ta silang CR.
Alright guys, so here is the waterfalls effect of the entrance of their toilet. Yes, and that is the toilet inside. We didn't go there guys, actually we didn't go there, but we just stayed and take a video and a photo outside. It is beautiful, and yes, look at that. It doesn't look like a toilet at all, right? Now after here, we went to feed the fish and the birds. But wait, look at that marvelous sunset. I love it. And this is actually the Moon River. And the Moon River is connected to Mekong River. Mekong River is one of the longest river here in Asia. Okay, now let's watch Adam and Tita Kyla coming down from the stairs, guys. And before, when we came here, it wasn't like this, and we were surprised because after 2 years since the pandemic.
Ada?
Going to feed the birds,
Yay.
the fishes.
Okay, let's go. Go. Ano tak gimbal na pagida. Lingaw kay silang ay. Lingaw kay silang pakaon og isda. Careful diri ah. Okay, let's go. Dili buhian ha. Dali araw oy.
Tigbuyan, oy, napuslot na lang.
Sige mo.
Ada mo? Look at kita, oh. Look at kita, oh.
Ay. One more. Okay, careful mo dito ha.
Nilibuyan.
Unsa naman niya itong tiglabay o bread ay. Not like this
True.
Sige na. Ano throw away. Ano
Oh, nice.
Ay wow. Adam also.
Adam. Tita po, tita.
Nara kita
Look at tita, oh. Oh, like this, oh. Fishes. Nice.
Nadagkuha ka sa fish no?
Oh.
Wow. Adam also be. Hatag na lang nasa bird's eye.
Birds na lang na, oh.
Bird na lang ay.
Tara. Buyi.
Give the. Ay, sorry na. Tumbad siya. Nara. Give the fish. Give the bird. Give it to the bird. Ako mag-feed ko sa fish ha.
Look, mami, oh. Wala ka nagkuha sa fish oil.
Huwag ka kaya.
Wala kayo doon.
Uy.
So dagko kayo din ilang mga isda, no? So thank you so much guys for joining us sa among adventure last Saturday evening. And yes, don't forget to enjoy life and continue to have a good vibes every time. And even though something bad happened to you, just smile and keep going. Thank you so much, and don't forget to please pray for each other. Goodbye.